Hi, Daniel Swartz here with Sweet Home Farms. Thought I'd have a little fun. How many 8-foot two-by-10s can an old contractor pick up? So it's going to be a lift off the ground like a deadlift. I'm going to start off with 4, go up from there. On 1. Oh, easy. And I think it counts to set it down back in the stack and not a pile. Because if you're doing this for work and you just drop it, you're going to have fucking scattered lumber everywhere. So, how much can I lift and set back nice? This is all Douglas fir for anybody interested. Here's 6 8-foot long 2x10s. Easy. I don't know if I have enough lumber here to max me out. Oh yeah. I can feel that one a little. Ten of them. I'm running into a little problem. My arms ain't long enough, so it's kind of an awkward lift at this point. I don't know if I'll do this one. I felt that last one. Whew. This ain't barbell lifting. You know, the same weight on a barbell, easy. You get into these awkward grappling lifts, it puts pressure in places that you wouldn't normally do in a gym. So if you calculate the actual weight of it, it's not going to seem that impressive unless you actually come out here and lift this way yourself. Oh yeah! Whew. 2 more and then I don't have any more lumber. Pieces. I don't know if I can do this because short arms. And that's all I got, and I ain't trying more. I felt that one too. I had a great warm-up. Before this video. I drove a half hour from town and drank a 24-ounce coffee. That was my warm-up. So this is complete dead cold lifting with no warm-ups or no limbering up or nothing. Oh, I can't get her with my arms. Ah! We're gonna call that good. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. I thought I could maybe do her, but late winter, early spring of 2024, which is like 10 months ago, I pinched a disc in my back pretty bad. So I'm pretty tickled with that kind of lifting. So for 37 years old, only 180 pounds, I'm tickled with my back issues. We'll call it good. Y'all have a good, God blessed day.